Okay, so today we will be learning JavaScript. Have you ever done or learned about JavaScript anyway?
Then last lecture I have had in that I have taken a try class for this and I've learned in that.
Okay, so you have already taken a trial class, so why do you want to
Yes,
enroll yourself in another trial
ma'am, I
class?
have taken a try class that time and I'm taking now because I have left some bit doubts. No, in that previous connection was lost, and so she said afterward in next class you can take
Okay,
doubts from her.
okay. So are there any doubts you can just clarify with me because you've already taken the class? No, it will be easy for us to just clear the doubts.
Yes, ma'am. I want to
Okay. So
clear
what are
doubts
the
that
doubts you're having?
difference between Java and
What?
JavaScript. What is the difference between Java and JavaScript?
You want to know what is the difference between Java and JavaScript?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can Google
Difference.
it actually because actually I'm just looking forward to teach something. Okay, I'm not here to answer all the questions that you're asking me because just we are teaching here JavaScript. Okay, so the you can ask about JavaScript and the coding class that you have took. No, you can ask about the Pong activity. You can ask me anything about how to make you can ask me about the additional activities that are given in this course. Okay, there are many things to ask. Okay, so you really
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
continue the class? Let's just 1 minute. I'll ask the tech team. Okay, so if I can continue this class or not. Okay, because I've already taken a class, and if it is okay to continue, if they say it is okay to continue, I will continue. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So you already have experience in coding.
Yes. Not much, ma'am, but that try class I have taken, no.
Okay, so
Ma'am, difference, I have many other doubts also, no. Difference between C and C++.
okay, so what are the okay? Just you can just ask me about the curriculum only. You can't ask just like that because you're not interviewing me. Okay, okay, you're not interviewing me. Yeah, you can just ask about the curriculum. Okay,
I want to understand, ma'am, please, ma'am. Please, ma'am. मैम मेरी क्लास में पूछ रहे थे डिफरेंस बिटवीन सी एंड C++.
I'm not teaching you C and C++, right? I'm just teaching you JavaScript. Okay, so why do you want to know about C and C++?
Ma'am, then you please tell the
Okay.
difference between Java and JavaScript.
Okay, let's first learn about JavaScript and then we can know what's the difference between Java and JavaScript. Yes? Okay, can you just
HTTP क्या
share your
होता है
screen
मैम?
with me?
मैम?
Okay, I will tell you. You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
start sharing your screen with me. Start with sharing your screen.
Then no, ma'am. Please tell me the that HTTP क्या होता है?
Can you share your screen with me so that we can do the additional activities?
No, ma'am. Please tell the difference that what is HTTP.
Teacher, this is Syed from Tech Team.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's the issue?
Sir, the student has taken the class already, and she is taking up again. So should I continue the class?
Okay.
Because she's interviewing me. She's asking me whether do you know C, C, what is the difference between C and C++, like that she's asking me. Because I can't handle the attitude. Because yeah, please.
Student, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Have you attended a class before that?
यस सर, मैंने पहले क्लास ले रखी है पर उसमें ना लास्ट के 10-15 मिनट्स में कनेक्शन चला गया था। तो फिर जो मैम थी ना उन्होंने कहा था मतलब जो मतलब वो क्या बोलते हैं उसे काउंसलर जो उन्हें फ़ोन करके कहा था कि आपकी जो डाउट है जो रहते हैं ना आप अगली क्लास ले लेना, अगली ट्राई क्लास ले लेना, फिर उसमें आप अपनी टीचर से सारे डाउट्स पूछ सकते हो।
Okay, but now in this class you get a different teacher, right? So first teacher has to explain the activities now. If you have any activities, if you have any issue in the activity, you can ask to the teacher in the activity only.
एक्टिविटीज
Okay.
हो चुके ना सर, तो फिर जो
She's
डाउट्स बचे
asking,
हैं।
she's asking
Sorry.
she's asking apart from the curriculum session, she's asking general questions like, no, like an interviewer, she's asking me what is the difference between C, C++. Can you tell me why Java is better than JavaScript? Out of syllabus, she's asking. Should I, should I continue class like that?
So you
प्लीज सर
want the
डाउट
student?
क्लियर है।
Yeah, yeah. You're asking a doubt, but you're questioning them wrong way, na? Right? Teacher has to
व्हाट रॉन्ग
start
वे
the.
सर?
Sorry.
व्हाट रॉन्ग वे सर?
Has the teacher start the session?
Sir, I have already done the session, no, so I want my doubts to be cleared.
You have attended previous session in advanced level, right? In which class studying? In which class you are
Ninth,
now?
sir. Ninth.
Sorry, 9.
Ninth, sir.
Okay. So previously you attend the class in advanced level, right? On 20 September, right?
Yes, sir. दूसरा अकाउंट से कर रखा है।
So okay. In the previous class, teacher has tell you what is the difference between Java and JavaScript, right? CC plus. Teacher has asked you that in
No,
previous
sir,
session.
she has not answered. No, that's why connection was gone. That's why I was asking doubts from now.
Okay, now you want a class or not? Tell me.
I want to clear my doubts, sir.
What doubt you have? Teacher hasn't started any activity yet. How can you get a doubt? Tell me.
Sir, previous time
First,
I
teacher
have
has
done
to
the
start the
activity.
activity, na?
Previous time I
You
have done
have
the
done a
activity.
previous activity that is different activity.
I want to just clear my doubts, no?
She's asking, I've done all the activities, so I just want to clear the doubts of this. So I am taking a trial for for that exact student, but this is very it's very yeah, I can't handle a attitude like this. So I don't want to keep the class.
What was wrong in my attitude, ma'am?
Okay, not an issue. Student, we are cancelling the session.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Why,
Yeah.
sir?
Student, we are cancelling the session. Okay.
Why, sir?
Because you're cross. Because
Why,
you're
sir?
asking questions.
Yeah,
Not a
ask
syllabus.
her to enroll herself and then ask the doctor because she has taken up one trial.
Listen,
सर,
listen,
आप AI,
listen.
मशीन
If
लर्निंग ये सब कैसे सिखाओगे जब आपको ये डाउट्स क्लियर नहीं करने आते? आपकी मैम
you
को
have
कुछ नहीं
a
आता।
helpline number, huh? Okay, not an issue. So that's why you don't attend the session, okay?
Why, sir?
Teacher, go ahead and mark as not completed and others option. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir,